Good day, YouTubers and YouTubers. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing on the Audioquest Vodka HDMI cable. So pretty much this is a Red Outlaw 7 Volo 7. I'm about to do this, so sorry for the jumble going around here. Filming with one hand, got the iPhone 5, and let's see, we're gonna take this out. First time I open it, so got some red double over there. Alright, so this is pretty much all that's in the box. They don't have no little manual. They don't have pretty much anything else. And I mean, the only ones better than this one are gonna be the coffee and the diamond. The coffee you're looking at about $600 for a 1 meter cable, and about $1,000 for a 1 meter cable of the diamond. So the vodka one was the one I went with. Here it is. This is how it comes in. And let's look at each side. Some people wanted to know and see what it looks like. So don't know why it's not focusing, but it's pretty much it. Nothing amazing, but we'll see how it looks, and we'll see how it sounds, see if we could tell a difference. And here's the other side. Cap off. It's hard for it to focus. What the hell? iPhone 5. Alright, but that's pretty much it. Just a little 1 meter cable. Just in case you guys are wondering, this cable here at 1 meter will run you about $294 plus tax. So we'll see if it's worth it. Talk to you guys later. If you guys like it, you guys know what to do.